hear them break. I am but a traveler, been most everywhere. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss. Where I'll be tomorrow, I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward, onward, always up, catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. What a journey it has been. We were strangers starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me
This is the start.
and life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river, I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road, now and forever. Wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be
the adventure.
Never dreaming how our dreams would come true. Now here we stand, unafraid of the future. At the beginning with you. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river, I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road, now and forever. Wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. I knew there was somebody somewhere, like me alone in the dark. Now I know my dreams will live on. I've been waiting so long. Nothing's gonna tear us apart. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river, I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road, now and forever. Wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river, I wanna keep flowing on.
Starting out on a journey.
Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river, I wanna keep flowing. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayo laging nagkikita. Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng aking paghinga.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Tana, pahinga muna, ako na.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Tana, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Mas masalabis ang ginagawa, pahinga muna, ako na. La-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ra-ta. La-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ta-ra-ta-ra, la-ta-ra-ra-ta. Pahinga muna, ako na.
Ma'am Gigi, dahil birthday mo, may mga kaibigan kaming gustong bumati sa'yo.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ha!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Hi, Ma'am Gigi. Happy birthday at happy retirement. May apo ka na ngayon, hindi ka mainip sa bahay, di ba?
Gigi, happy birthday saka happy retirement po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Hi, Ma'am Gigi. Happy birthday po and congratulations on your retirement. Ingat po palagi.
Hi, Ma'am G. Happy retirement. Mazal.
Hi, Ma'am G. Happy birthday and happy retirement po. Thank you po sa lahat ng wisdom and understanding, hindi lang sa work, pero pati rin sa buhay. We will miss you po and God bless po sa next phase ng iyong buhay.
Hello Ma'am Gigi. Happy birthday po and happy retirement po sa inyo. Ingat po kayo lagi and enjoy your retirement po. More time with your family. God bless po.
Hi Ma'am Gigi, happy birthday and happy retirement. Thank you sa palaging pagpapalo up at pagtatanggol sa amin. Enjoy your life with your apo. Thank you po.
Hi, Ma'am Gigi. Happy birthday and happy retirement. Enjoy all the blessings that will come into your life and long life. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Gigi. Wish you all the best and have a happy journey sa susunod mo pang mga journey in life. Mag-enjoy being Lola and sana mas long life. Thank you!
Hi po, Ma'am Gigi. Happy birthday po and happy retirement day po. Una po, thank you po sa lahat ng naitulong nyo sa amin, sa lahat-lahat ng knowledge na naibigay nyo sa amin. And syempre, wish po sana namin ay yung mas masaya, enjoy, relax na gala para sa inyo, sa inyong apo. Ngayong retired na po kayo, nawa po ay maging mas marami po yung time na pagsasama ninyo with your family. Happy birthday po and happy retirement day.
Happy birthday po sa Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am G. Happy retirement. Happy birthday, Ma'am G. Happy retirement. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ma'am G. Happy retirement. Good luck po sa new journey and enjoy po your time with your family. We will miss you.
Ate G, happy birthday and happy retirement po. Good luck po.
Ate G, happy birthday and happy retirement. Ingat lagi.
Well, first of all, happy retirement, G. And anyway, lahat tayo, nila Cora, magkakasunod-sunod na tayo. And let's enjoy na lang our life with our apos. And it's really time for us to enjoy. Well, happy birthday. We will miss you.
Hi Tita G, happy birthday. I wish you happiness and good health. You know, you are very blessed to reach this point in your career, no? Alam ko wala ka ng regret sa trabaho kasi alam ko binigay mo din naman lahat ng mga kaya mo. And because of that, I can say na I'm very proud of you. And you did your job well, no? Muli po, happy birthday and happy retirement po. I will miss you, Taji. Ciao.
Hi Ma'am Gigi, happy birthday and happy retirement. Sana ay i-enjoy mo yung sarili mo together with your magandang apo. We will miss you. Thank you so much.
Hi, Miss D. Happy retirement. Enjoy your pension. Good luck sa bago mong journey. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Gigi. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta mo sa amin. Simula dalaga ako, kami ni Lotlot, hanggang sa magkaasawa ako, magkaanak ako. Ang salitang salamat ay hindi sapat, pero bahala na si Jesus sa iyo sa lahat ng ginawa mo. Siya na ang gaganti ng lahat na iyon. Happy birthday!
Hi! Ma'am Gigi, sino na magpipilay sa'yo? Wala ka nang magpipilay sa'yo. Bye! Good luck sa new life. Bye!
Hello G, it's your birthday. Time to retire and rest. Enjoy your day together with your loved ones, your son Miggy and your granddaughter. Okay, thank you for the friendship and being a good co-office worker, and enjoy your day. Love you, G.
Happy birthday, Maring Gigi. Wish ko ang mas masaya mong pagbabakasyon at saka stress-free ka na. Hindi ka na makikipaghabulan sa EDSA. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin at alam kong patuloy mo akong tutulungan. At saka isa ka talaga na sa mabait na nakilala ko from the start na magkakasama tayo dito. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil naging kumari kita at saka naging kaibigan kita at lagi mo akong sinusuportahan. Lahat ng aking mga plano ay lagi kang nariyan. Maraming salamat at happy birthday, happy retirement at magiging taga-alaga ka na lang ni Apo. Salamat.
Happy birthday, G! Hello! Kumusta ang aking kaibigan? Welcome to the community of the retired and enjoy your retirement. Sana lagi kang good health, happy sa iyong apo. Basta, alam ko namang kaya-kaya mo yan eh. Basta lagi mong isipin, mahal ka namin kahit hindi tayo masyado nagkikita. So, happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Happy birthday, Gigi! Happy retirement day also. Hopefully na everything is okay and hopefully maging masaya yung retirement dahil kasama nila ako po at wala na access ng oras na binibigay natin pagbalik sa trabaho. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Gigi. May kumaring Gigi. Kumari ko siya kasi inaanak niya yung panganay kong anak sa kasal. Sana ma-enjoy mo ang iyong pagre-retire na yan. Makasama mo ng marami o mahabang panahon o mas matagal ang iyong anak at yung apo lalo na. Magbibigay lang ako ng konting balik-tanaw tungkol sa yung pagkakasama namin nung araw. So, way back 1990, under kami noon ng Mayor's Office, nakasama namin sila from City High School. Kailangan din nila noon na mapasama doon sa amin dahil nga kailangan namin noon ng mga tao. And then, nung panahong yon, Bali, hindi sila naibigay sa amin agad kasi nga kailangan din sila doon sa high school. So after 1990 pa yon, siguro mga 1.5 year pa yon. And then, nung 1993, nung nagkaroon ng paghihiwalay na ang Treasurer's Office, nagkaroon ng Department of Accounting. So, nagkaroon noon ng Accounting Service at saka ng Internal Audit Service. So, kami nila Gigi noon ang magkakasama. So, magmula noon, hanggang dumating yung 2004 na ang mayor natin noon ay si Senator Win na ngayon, bali, doon ako nalipat sa payroll unit. Pero magkakasama pa rin naman tayo dito. At hanggang nung nag-retire din ako, ay nasa plantilla pa rin naman ako ng accounting. So, talagang ang haba na kung ating iisipin yung aming pinagsamahan. And then, makikita pa rin naman kami niyan tuwing halos November 1, kasi nga yung aming mahal sa buhay ay, kumbaga, iisang libingan. Oo. And then, hinahangad ko na ang kanyang pagre-retiro ng ito ay maging simula nung maraming time sa kanyang pamilya. Muli, happy birthday and happy retirement.
Hello, Ma'am Gigi. Good morning. Ma'am G, tignan mo yung okra, oh. Minsan dito ko pinitas yung yung binigay ko sa iyo. Hanggang ngayon, nabubunga pa rin. Ma'am G, happy birthday and happy retirement. Tiyak na yung matutuwa dito ay si Hope dahil lagi kanyang makakasama araw-araw. Wish namin na sana lagi kang healthy at saka marami pang birthdays ang darating sa buhay mo. Ma'am G, thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mong tulong sa amin, sa audit, lalong-lalo na sa akin. Sa tuwing nawawala ako, ikaw yung laging gumagawa ng work ko. Kaya, thank you. Thank you ng marami talaga. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Miss Gigi Ong, salamat sa tulong mo, sa lahat ng mga paghihirap, pagtitiis mo na ginawa sa City Accounting Office.
Tissue pre.
We wish you the best. Sana magkaroon ka ng happy retirement. Thank you very much.
Happy Ma'am Gigi, happy birthday and happy retirement. We will miss you.